How do I withdraw money from Coinbase to my wallet? Have you ever found yourself staring at your Coinbase account, wishing you could turn those digital coins into cold, hard cash? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Coinbase withdrawals and show you exactly how to get your money out of the platform and into your wallet. Before we get started, let's clarify a few things. First, wallet in this context refers to a digital wallet, not a physical one. Think of it as a secure digital container where you store your cryptocurrencies. Second, the exact steps might vary slightly depending on the type of wallet you're using and the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. But don't worry, we'll cover the general process and address some common questions along the way. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Coinbase account. The first step is obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Make sure you're logged into your Coinbase account using your correct username and password. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet section. This is usually located on the main dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can do this by clicking on the coin's icon or name. Choose a withdrawal address. This is where your cryptocurrency will be sent. You'll need to provide the public address of your wallet. Make sure you double-check this address to avoid sending your funds to the wrong place. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify how much of the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Remember to consider any network fees that might be associated with the transaction. Review and confirm. Before you hit the withdraw button, carefully review all the details of your transaction. Make sure the address, amount, and fees are correct. Complete the withdrawal. Once you're satisfied, click Withdraw. Coinbase will process your transaction, and you should receive a confirmation email or notification. Common questions and tips. What is a network fee? Network fees are essentially transaction costs that are paid to the blockchain network. They vary depending on the network and the current traffic. How long does a withdrawal take? Withdrawal times can vary depending on the network and the current load. Some transactions may be confirmed within minutes, while others may take hours or even days. Is it safe to withdraw from Coinbase? Coinbase is generally considered a secure platform, but it's always a good idea to take precautions. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Can I withdraw fiat currency? Yes, you can withdraw fiat currency from Coinbase. However, the process may involve converting your cryptocurrency to fiat first. What should I do if I encounter a problem? If you have any issues with your withdrawal, Coinbase customer support team can help. You can contact them through their website or app. And there you have it. That's how you can withdraw money from Coinbase to your wallet. Remember, the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the specific cryptocurrency and wallet you're using. But by following these general guidelines, you should be able to successfully transfer your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.